If you're serious about gaming, your monitor matters more than you think. Today, we're talking about one of the best gaming monitors in the world right now, the legendary Samsung Odyssey OLED G9. This monitor features a massive 49-inch curved OLED display with a stunning 5120 by 1440 resolution. That's basically like having two 27-inch QHD monitors fused into one ultra-wide beast. The 1800R curve wraps around your vision, making you feel inside the game. Now let's talk speed. It has a blazing fast 240 Hz refresh rate and an ultra-low 0.03 milliseconds response time. That means smoother gameplay, zero motion blur, and lightning-fast reactions. Whether you're playing competitive shooters or high-speed racing games, this monitor gives you the edge. Because it's OLED, you get true blacks, infinite contrast, and insanely vibrant colors. HDR performance is on another level. Explosions look brighter, shadows look deeper, and every detail pops. It also supports AMD FreeSync Premium Pro and NVIDIA G-Sync compatibility. So no screen tearing, no stuttering, just pure smooth gameplay. Plus, it has multiple HDMI 2.1 and DisplayPort options, making it perfect for both PC and console gaming. Of course, this level of performance comes at a premium price. But if you want one of the absolute best gaming experiences money can buy, this is it. The Samsung Odyssey OLED G9 isn't just a monitor. It's a next-level gaming weapon.